Good morning, everybody. It's a beautiful day, not to fly in Texas, but to fly in Florida, and I think we're gonna take this up for a little spin. Take a look. See if I can open this door. Got it. Oh yeah, a girl could get used to this, for sure. Let's take a look at the cockpit.
Airbase full funnel, runway 9 and clear to land. 1580, so select direct the number, keep the speed up.
First things first, I have to learn how to put the jump seat in. Well, now that everything's turned on, of course I gotta jump in the cockpit. So, let's jump in. This is awesome. Look at that. All right, we've been waiting all day, but we are going to fuel up the jet. I did change my shirt, and there's the startup, baby. See you in the sky. We're getting gas, and then it's time to go. It's also very loud. Hey everybody, it's Kay, and today we are doing something very exciting. My good friend Gaurav over here just happened to buy a Hawker 900 jet and offered me a flight. I'm so excited. Thank you very, very much.
Well, welcome out on board, Kay, and hope you have a good flight.
1197. 1197. Okay, that's your next break.
Yeah.
Okay, which is Miami departure.
Yeah.
Okay, happy with that? Okay, I remove this. That I'm happy with. It's going to be straight ahead, radar vector. Anything below 80, any of us can call stop, stop. I will retard the thrust, air brake, thrust reverser, full stop, parking brake set, you call ATC stopping on the runway.
Yep.
Between 80 and V1, it's only for loss of thrust, loss of directional control of fire. Anything else, we are goal-minded, it's a short runway. I'm going to apply power on the brake and release the power.
Yeah.
And like that, we're going to test those engines anyway. What else do you have to know? In case of in-flight emergency, no action below 1,000 feet except positive rate, gear up, cancel the horn. We carry on climbing MSS straight ahead. There is some clouds, but that's not too bad. Actually, our takeoff weight is 22.8, so we can come back straight away. We're not overweight, okay? So basically, I'm going to do, where am I? On the left. So I'm going to do a left downwind coming back to land 09. Okay, it's a bit windy, it's going to be a bit choppy after departure, but nothing serious.
Tango 7, Alpha November Delta, runway 9, line up and wait. Traffic is on a 4-mile final, Cherokee, and traffic is crossing downfield.
Roger, line up and wait. Tango 7, Alpha November Delta.
Okay, line up check please.
Okay, APU.
Number 888 Delta,
Leave it on for now.
on November,
Okay,
or
extra
Delta,
lights.
contact ground, good day.
Set.
Okay, transponder is on, TKSTA array.
November 130 kilo,
Flight
traffic following is
control,
secure,
signal top,
via
spotted with
3-mile
you.
final.
Buttons, full and free.
Okay,
130 kilo, we'll get some
anti-ice
traffic.
ignition.
Anti-ice is off, ignition is auto.
MWS and status check.
We have APU on.
Check.
This is a very busy airport.
Crazy busy.
I don't fly near these airports very often myself.
Tango 7, Alpha November Delta, turn left heading 330, runway 9 clear for takeoff, wind 110 at 9 gust 15.
After takeoff, turn heading 330, clear for takeoff, runway 09.
78 Tango Alpha, unable to touch and go for this one for wake turbulence.
Ready?
Do you want a low approach or a full
330,
stop tax back?
What is right turn?
Full stop tax
Left.
back.
Okay.
78 Tango Alpha, crossing wake turbulence, departing Hawker, runway 9 clear to land.
Okay,
wind
APR?
130,
Yep.
1
Arm
gust
APR?
15.
APR is on.
Runway 9
Time
clear to
start.
land, 70 Tango Alpha. Victor Star, takeoff 130 kilo, traffic inside. 13 at your
Okay,
kilo,
speeds are like
roger,
3
and traffic
times.
departing is the Hawker, do you have in sight? Skyhawk
80.
130 kilo,
Back control.
Did you?
130 kilo, roger, maintain visual separation from the departing Hawker, crossing wake
B1.
turbulence, runway 9 clear touch and go. Number 2 behind the Cherokee
Rotate.
profile.
Runway 9 clear for touch and go, Skyhawk 130 kilo. Offset Cherokee.
Positive rate.
Gear up.
Coming in base.
$400. Flaps already up.
Okay, you're damp.
Coming up.
Okay, autopilot.
Autopilot. Green.
Tango 7 Alpha November Delta, contact Miami departure, have a good day.
Miami departure 1097. Great.
6,000.
Miami Midday 6,000 feet, number 198 Bravo Whiskey.
30 Victor for now, just remain north of the final for runway 9 at exact.
Okay, we'll remain north of final for runway 9.
Okay, autopilot on.
Victor.
Well, also actually proceed right Enver, descend to maintain, actually 3,000 is fine for now, the right Enver.
Check after 3,000. 4 Hotel X-ray.
Finally, uniform, ready to contact.
He wants to turn the opposite direction, that thing, I don't know why.
2,000, you proceed direct to tone for the RNAV, runway 5 at a Boca.
Yeah, go ahead, heading.
Okay.
Roger, maintain.
Okay, autopilot on.
And 105, leave response.
Let's
Alright.
see.
Yeah.
Direct to 75, leave response.
Tango Sierra Alpha November Delta. Radar contact, climb maintain 5,000.
Climb maintain 5,000 Victor. Correction, Alpha November Delta.
5,000 is set.
Checked.
Okay, did
Alpha
you
November, disregard.
cut the switch off the APU, please? APU off.
Yeah.
Alpha November Delta, contact Miami 12605, good day.
12605. Miami, this is Tango 7 Alpha November Delta handover.
Tango 7 Alpha November Delta, my departure, climb maintain 10,000, turn left direct Marina.
Climb and maintain 10,000 left direct Marino. Okay.
Sure, wing 1726, climb
10,000.
10,000.
10,000.
Turning Marino.
Okay.
38, declaring Bravo 8 for Delta 5.
After takeoff check.
Okay, coming up. Landing gear is up. Flaps selected up. Main walls 1 and 2 are open. APR is disarmed. Yaw damp is engaged. Engine sync is to N1. Altimeters maintaining 3005. Precision climbing. Cabin as required. Checklist complete.
With you.
Thank you, sir.
030. 719, my approach order.
Master off.
Okay, APM master off.
Thank you.
Lights out.
All good in the hood.
Why was it turning right?
I don't know. I have no idea.
Well, that's officially the coolest takeoff I've ever had, so well done, guys. That was really awesome.
Well, it was a bit scary for us because the autopilot was not doing what we wanted the autopilot to do.
Yeah.
But except from that, yeah, it's the aircraft is veering to the right a little bit on takeoff.
Okay.
Well, this is my first time flying in a private jet, and I gotta tell you, I might be hooked. Thank you again. This has been really fun. This airplane flies beautifully.
You know it does.
You're like, yeah, that's what I paid. And just like that, we started our initial descent to come down to land. Are we shooting an actual approach, or are we just going in VFR?
No, we're gonna shoot the ILS 09.
Oh, cool.
Yeah,
I
so
missed all of that. I didn't have my headset on.
Number 626, Charlie Tango, Miami approach 133.7.
no ILS 09. Minima will be 213. Anyway, they will probably ask us to go VFR, but we will refuse no matter what.
Yeah.
So in case of go around, it's straight ahead, left turn, climbing initially to 2001. Okay.
Check.
Which is the MSA.
Okay.
Okay.
Once on the ground, I'm not very familiar with that place. So we will vacate probably Delta.
Yeah. Echo.
Delta, where is the place? Where do we land? Here somewhere.
Yeah.
Here.
Yeah.
So Delta all the way, Charlie, Bravo. That's
Alright.
probably, huh?
Okay.
Or we go to the end,
Yeah.
Charlie all the way.
Yeah.
Okay?
Alright.
Depending if I'm braking hard or not.
All right.
But I'm not into braking too much, so.
Yeah.
We will see. So you see, that's what's very cool about that system is, you see that little line here?
Yeah.
That is telling me at where I'm gonna reach 8,000 because I have set 8,000. So it's telling me that at that point I will be 8,000.
Okay.
So it's very convenient. You don't have to make any calculation. You just look at the picture and you know everything.
That's awesome. Yeah, I want this installed in my little Seneca.
Of course, you need it.
That would be really cool.
And center, Tango 7, Alpha November, Delta. What can we expect after Benty? Are we going direct Enver?
Class calling center, say again.
That's Tango 7. What can we expect after Benty?
After Banty, you should be on the Portal 9 arrival, the Fort Lauderdale Executive.
So after Benty, Fox Lima Lima. Okay, thank you.
Tango 7 Alpha November Delta, Miami approach 133.77.
133.77 November, no, correction, Tango 7.
Control Tango 7 Alpha November Delta on handover.
Tango 7 Miami approach, advise when you have A to C or expect ILS 9er.
We are ready for ILS 9.
We are ready for the ILS.
Tango 7 Alpha November Delta, fly heading 080, descend and maintain 4,000.
Heading 080 and descend maintain 4,000. And Tango 7.
Just in this one.
93, 170 or greater to no Bay Delta 23.
Yeah, this one is really going to be bumpy.
Tango 7 Alpha November Delta, contact Miami approach 119.7.
1197, good day.
When to go?
Approach Tango 7 Alpha November Delta with you.
Tango 7 Alpha November Delta, Miami approach, hello, descend and maintain 3,000.
3,000, Tango 7. A lot of marshy land, huh?
Yeah,
All around.
yeah, that's the Everglades,
Yeah.
is it? Or that swamp everywhere.
Swamp.
Yeah. Alligator stuff, no?
Yeah.
Careful. Don't go there, don't crash there.
I was just saying.
Charlie Tango traffic here, Alpha 3700, descending to 3,000. Tango 7 Alpha November Delta, clear direct Denver, cross Denver at 2, clear ILS 9 approach.
Direct Denver, clear for ILS approach 09. Tango 7.
He said 2,000.
Yeah,
Confirm
he did.
with him, 2,000.
Okay. And are we clear? Descend 2,000, Tango 7 Alpha November Delta.
Yes sir, cross Denver 2,000, clear ILS 9 approach. Tango 7 Alpha November Delta.
Project clear, Enver 2000 and clear for the ILS approach 09.
2,500.
Check.
So yeah, 7 minutes to go.
I can't wait to see this landing. This is gonna
Can
be
you reset 150 Echo? Yes, what's your requested altitude en route to Venice?
Yeah, you need to put a pillow underneath you to see better.
We are Cessna 172, 150 Echo. Very good.
Do you guys want to say hi to anybody that's going to watch this video? Introduce yourselves. Tell them a fun fact.
Wait.
I'm not very good at all this.
No, you're not?
1580 Echo, radar
You go ahead.
contact 6 miles northwest.
Hello, guys.
Executive Airport,
No, I'm
climb
good, I'm
to
good,
your
sorry.
requested
That's all
VFR
they get?
altitude
Hello,
and
guys.
resume on
That's
navigation.
it? I tried.
Climb
I
to
tried, but let's give a round of applause for our pilots
resume
today.
navigation 150 Echo.
You're a professional, we are not. We are professional flying this, that's it.
Hey, you're doing a great job. You're
Are you
keeping
able
us
to climb
safe.
up to 26 or are you going to stay low?
We got into the
How are we
sky
going to stay at
and
this
we
altitude? We're going to try to stay
That's all we
VFR.
need.
4 Bravo Charlie. 4 Bravo Charlie, remain outside of
Don't
Delta
jinx
5
it,
Delta.
we're not there yet.
Remain outside of Delta 5 Delta.
I will knock on wood
4
all
Bravo
day
Charlie
long.
contact, Palm Beach approach 125.2, good day. 125.2, thank you very much. Tango 7 Alpha November, correction, November Delta, once you're established, contact tower 120.9er.
Roger, 120, this is 19er. Tango 7, Alpha November Delta.
Okay, we're almost there. Turning in bomb. Ready?
Yeah.
This is how you fly an aircraft, you know?
Yes.
Approach lock 1, green.
Check.
1209, contact tower.
Tango 7, Alpha November Delta, localizer runway 09.
Tango 7 Alpha November Delta, access tower, runway 9er, clear to land, 1080 at 9er, gust 14.
So we are clear to land, I have visual on the runway.
Yeah.
We're going to fly the sky.
As you know, 1.75.
You're too short, sorry.
Hey, I lifted myself up. I wanted to see. We're good.
There.
Yeah,
Can you see it?
Go push yourself on your knees if you want. Maybe.
Yeah, I can see it now. I just do a squat the whole time. Who needs a gym, right?
Definitely. Come and fly with us.
I would love to.
Okay, flaps 15 please.
Okay, coming up.
Descent, approach.
Yeah, done.
Descent we did, approach.
Yeah. Approach you did?
And landing next.
Yeah.
But first we need the gear down please.
Okay, get on. And 3 greens.
Centered.
Check.
You'll have a
Looks
few more.
beautiful.
It does.
Flaps 25.
Okay, speed check. Flaps 25.
Okay. Full flaps.
Okay, speed check. Full flaps.
And landing checklist.
Landing checklist complete.
Thank you, sir. We are clear to land. We have 3 greens.
Check.
And our valves already open, closed. Okay, thank you.
1,000.
Stable.
Stable.
Autopilot, your damper disconnect.
Check.
Wind check.
Wind 1009, gust 14.
On the right.
Yep.
1 o'clock.
$400.
Check.
$300. Minimums.
Okay, continue.
Tower scale 75537, downtown, full stop is 0.
100.
75537, power into right, down to runway 90.
50. 40.
129,
30. 20. 10.